Hey guys, I have a very simple project for you today. It should be on Tuesday, March 31st. It says the Food Web project. Very simple project. It's not going to take you forever. What is a food web? Well, we talked about that in our notes. This is a very simple food web where you have foxes, rabbits, carrots, mice, grasshoppers. And you can see that the arrow is drawn to what eats it. So rabbit's going to eat the carrot. Fox is going to eat the rabbit. Hopefully the carrot's not eating the rabbit. So, anyways, and this food web has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 different organisms within it. You also know the biomes of the world. These are some of the main biomes. And you can take a look. You have tundra, deciduous forest, savanna, tropical rainforest, steppe. That's like Mongolian regions. I think the Mongolian word for horse is steppe, if I'm not mistaken. I remember reading that somewhere. But anyway, that's besides the point. You're going to choose a biome of the world. One of these, or just any one that's going to show up on Google. This is tropical rainforest, temperate forest, deserts, tundra, etc. You choose one of them, and you're going to research some of the animals that you might find within that biome. And then you're going to do a very simple food web. It needs to have 10 animals, plants, organisms, whatever, within that biome, and you need to draw the arrows and stuff like that. And this can either be done, one, on a piece of paper, or two, electronically and submitted that way. I'm going to do it electronically because I'm already recording the screen, so it's just going to be easier for me, although you could draw this out on a piece of paper. Here I have Microsoft Word, and I'm just going to title this Tundra Biome Food Web. And I'm going to do a very simple example. I'm not going to do every single thing that we found in the tundra, believe me. But anyway, we're going to do maybe salmon is a part of the tundra biome, and you would also expect a polar bear, and you would also expect a seal, and one more you would also expect, let's say, krill, which is like a little shrimp. Anyway, the web would then be drawn very similar to this original food web, where the arrow is pointing to what is eating whatever you're dealing with. So, anyway, I'm going to take a shape. The salmon are going to eat the krill. The salmon are going to be eaten by the polar bear. And the seal is going to be eaten by the polar bear as well. And so this would have 4 out of the 10 animals or plants or whatever that I'd be requiring. And that's just a sample. You can even use these 4 and continue on if you'd like. Just make sure that your biome food web chooses a specific biome and includes 10 animals. That's going to be where the points are going to be found. It's going to be in the grade book as kind of like a project grade. I'm going to have some very simple projects for you to do while we're absent here at school. Anyways, hopefully you enjoyed this short video. Make sure you get that done and into your weekly packets by Friday or by Monday. And I hope to see you guys soon.